it was this thing that was in the video. Okay, so the context of this movement is, I guess people call these quarters. I would call them, and you know, the reason they call it a quarter, I think, I'm actually not 100% sure. People name things, I have no idea why sometimes. If you look at one version of it, where I'm going from out to up, you're going through a quarter of the rotation, right? Instead of, say, like a half of the rotation, you're going through a quarter of the rotation, up, out, up, out. Or I could do it so it's front, up, front, up. Or I could do it so that it's front, out, front, out. Or you could do any version of all of those where you do front, up, out. Or up, front, out. Oh my God, so many of them. Um, or you could do bottom, out, bottom, out. Oh my God, my bottom out sucks. So all different versions. I think probably the, well, God, I don't even know what the easiest one to start with is. Let's try doing some of the vertical ones first. We'll do it one hand at a time. This is short poi, so the same technique I was mentioning the other day with blister prevention applies here as well. So let's just try the one from the front up, front up, front up. So you're doing basically an up stall and then a flat stall in front of you. Flat front and then up, flat in front, then up, flat in front, then up. All you do is, oh yeah. And then, do you have a basic up stall? Like, can you do these guys? Some version of them, any up stall. Let's back up a step then. Let's take a look at your up stall.